Hello everyone. So this is our transceiver module. Using this we'll create a wireless doorbell. So on one transceiver output I have connected a buzzer, and on the another transceiver input I have connected a button. So this button will turn on this doorbell buzzer alarm. So both are like isolated, like they are not connected, and they can be kept even like 50 meter or 100 meter also apart. So when I press this button, this input it will take and transfer it to this output. So when I press that button, it will turn on this buzzer. So instead of button, like you can put some proximity sensor. So like you can create a alarm like when you receive a mail. So like when the mail is received, it will block this proximity sensor, and it will detect like a letter is there in your letterbox, and it will send the signal using this transceiver, and inside your home you can receive that signal, and it can like show the status using an LED instead of this buzzer. So let's just see a demo. So like I have connected two different power supply. So both are like type C power supply only. So this is like one unit and this is another unit. So these are just plug and play, like you do not have to do any coding or anything. Just connect whatever sensor you want to the input and just connect whatever you want at the output. So this input will turn on this output, and this input will turn on this output. So we have like two inputs and two outputs. So I have connected just one input here, and this input is controlling this output. So let's just see a demo. So when somebody presses this doorbell, it will turn on this bell or your buzzer or like alarm, whatever. So I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.